1. Rinse your Derma roller under warm water for 2 to 3 seconds. Turn on your faucet, and hold your roller under the water for a few seconds to get rid of any superficial debris, like dead skin or blood. This helps remove skin particles that may not come off with just alcohol. 2. Pour isopropyl alcohol or hydrogen peroxide in a small dish. Fill up the bowl with 60 to 90% rubbing alcohol or hydrogen peroxide so the roller is completely covered. If you use less than 60% isopropyl alcohol, it will not sanitize your Derma roller. You can use a plastic Tupperware container or ceramic dish. For example, 3. Soak your Derma roller for 10 to 15 minutes to thoroughly sanitize it. Place your Derma roller upside down in your container. The needles of your roller should face upwards. 4. Rinse your Derma roller with warm running water for 30 to 60 seconds. After your Derma roller soaks for an hour, remove it from your container and hold it under running water. This gets rid of any remaining skin particles and leftover alcohol or peroxide. 5. Lay your roller upside down on a paper towel and let it air dry. After you sanitize your roller, it is important to keep it free of germs. Flip the handle around so the roller is upside down, and put it on a clean paper towel. Let the roller sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Air drying is the best method to dry your Derma roller. Towels can get caught in the needles. 6. Put your Derma roller back in its protective container after it is dry. Once your roller is dry, place it inside its container and fasten the lid. This way, your Derma roller stays clean and disinfected. If you store your Derma roller elsewhere, you can spread bacteria to your face when you next use it.